Alright, tech members, this is W6 Rampage. I got a little bit of a problem seeing if maybe someone actually can give me some advice. Alright, car won't start. It seems like it's misfiring. The only thing is, it's not throwing a DTS code that says PO300 or anything like that that indicates misfire. In fact, it is throwing a code, but it's a code that I've had for a long time. It's a PO463, which is basically the sending unit, and the fuel tank is just acting up, but it's always been like that, so I don't know if this has anything to do with it. Alright, so let me go ahead and start this up so you can actually hear what the problem is, and then I'll go to the engine bay and you can go from there. Okay? Okay, so let's get out of the car. It smells really bad too. I mean, I have no cats, so it smells like fuel all the time, but it's way worse right now. And the garage door is open, so I just put those fuel rail covers on, so I didn't know if I knocked anything. I checked the coil packs. I checked the spark plug wires. I haven't checked the spark plugs themselves yet, so that might be the issue, just foul plugs, but I want to see what you guys think. I mean, this whole garage, even with the garage door open right now, it just is engulfed in exhaust fumes. So that's the issue right there. Let's see if you can kind of hear the sputter. Okay, here's what we do. I'm going to try to move the car a little bit, and that's actually when she really starts acting up. There he is. So back down, backed into my garage. Okay, I don't know if you can hear that, but that's me just romping on the throttle a few times. See the lights dimming? So. Okay, now I'm going to turn this off before it gets worse, but... Alright, so that's the problem. The only thing I could think of, and I don't know if any of you guys want to maybe chime in on this, is basically that maybe I'm just fouling a plug, and just trying to overcorrect and trying to send more fuel into the motor to ignite, and that's why I'm smelling more fuel. I mean, it's pretty bad, but that's the only thing I can think of. The only thing that I started out this video saying that's confusing me is I don't have a PO300 DTS code. Okay, I have a code. It is for the sending unit. It's a PO463, which is basically just its high output, but that's the only code I'm throwing. So if you guys got any other ideas, I'm all ears. Alright? Thanks a lot, guys.